Sony has consistently set the bar high, and with the upcoming Sony A7V, it seems the company is once again pushing the envelope. As the competition in the full-frame mirrorless camera space intensifies in 2025, the A7V has emerged as a potential game-changer. Whether you're a professional photographer, an avid videographer, or a hybrid creator who needs the best of both worlds, the Sony A7V promises to be the camera to watch. But what makes this camera so special? Let's dive deep into the rumors, leaks, and what we can expect from this highly anticipated release. Sony's Alpha series has long been the go-to choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike, and the A7V seems poised to take that legacy even further. With a perfect blend of high-resolution stills, high-speed performance, and elite video capabilities, the A7V is shaping up to be one of the most versatile mirrorless cameras on the market. Let's break down the leaked features and see what makes the A7V so exciting. One of the standout features of the Sony A7V is its autofocus system. Sony has always been at the forefront of autofocus technology, and the A7V looks set to continue this trend with even more advanced features. Leaks suggest significant improvements in real-time tracking and AI-driven subject detection, not just for people and animals, but also for birds and insects. This makes the A7V an ideal choice for wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and anyone who needs fast and reliable autofocus. Additionally, the A7V is rumored to feature enhanced low-light autofocus capabilities, which could be a game-changer for astrophotographers, event videographers, and anyone working in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting in dimly lit venues or capturing the night sky, the A7V's autofocus is expected to deliver sharp, accurate results. In 2025, creators demand speed not only in camera performance but also in data transfer and connectivity. The Sony A7V appears to deliver on this front with next-level connectivity options. The camera is expected to support dual-band Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-fast wireless communication, enabling quick image and video uploads to cloud services. USB-C 3.22 Gen 2 support ensures faster tethering and data transfers, while the dual memory card slots, CF Express Type